Imagine that you manage several anonymous YouTube video channels, some of which have 100 or 500 million views annually, yet none of them generate income from advertising. So, when it comes to generate income from those YouTube shorts, you always must go outside the box, right? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, you will learn of a specific way to monetize YouTube videos and the specific YouTube videos you'll need to copy and paste for it to work. Let's get started. In essence, all you want to do is record your YouTube videos using a screen recording program like OBS Project, which is totally free. It is accessible for Windows, Mac, and Linux, but if you could also simply capture your computer screen using a phone, the engagement rate would be much greater. So, instead of launching an app and recording a screen, all you will do is use your smartphone device to record it. Pretty simple, right? Well, it doesn't really matter what you use if you can record your screen. But it will be more interesting and certainly more people will watch it, right? For some creators, using a phone to capture such YouTube videos works much better for them. Don't worry though, you won't be appearing in any of those YouTube shorts, so you don't need to worry about revealing your face or anything of the kind. To proceed, you want to either reinstall some of those screen recording apps or open an affiliate marketplace such as Warrior Plus in some cases. In the earned money online and online business area, Warrior Plus is a marketplace where you can discover a wide variety of affiliate offers. However, the same strategy can be used with ClickBank, Digistore, or any other affiliate marketplace. Afterward, you essentially want to access the offers marketplace to locate various offerings to advertise. Some offers on Warrior Plus can pay you $20 or $30 per sale, which may not sound like much, but millions of views from YouTube Shorts can quickly add up to a sizable sum. In general, you'll need to find some offers. Many of the offers there are usually in the form of hosting services or affiliate marketing services for people to get traffic and earn money with affiliate marketing, or earn money with cryptocurrency, or earn money with ClickBank, earn money with CP marketing, and other similar things. It helps them, therefore, expand their internet business and simply earn money online. So, there are several of those various offers available. Take, for example, a hosting service and downloadable program that can be purchased for about $16. They have unlimited hosting when you purchase it, allowing you to host as many websites and other things as you like on your personal computer. It converts well, and the upsells are respectable. For example, when you sell that $17 product, you earn a commission of $8.5 or 50%. After that, the affiliate offer has all those upsells and downsells, and you will be earning 50% of those as well. Not bad, right? However, you may also discover practically any other service, such as one that teaches individuals how to make money online through affiliate marketing or a similar method. After that, you can simply ask to advertise that item by opening it and pressing a button to receive your affiliate link. Simply click the request button to ask for a referral link. Your referral link will be immediately given after you've been approved. You only need to click Get Link to bring up a box with your affiliate link in it. Your affiliate link will then be easy to copy for you to put on your page. When someone clicks on your link, they will be directed to a sales page where they may read more about the product, and you will be paid a commission if they decide to buy it. After that, you may use that link to display anywhere you want it to. But you may also launch Rebrandly, an application that enables you to rebrand that link, shorten it, and add your own call to action at the end. So, let's say you want to alter your link and add your own slash tag. Select Create Link after specifying anything like limitless hosting, then you will be able to immediately get your new link. You can now copy the affiliate offers link and move on to the next step, which is to access the offers sales page. You will really start generating your YouTube Shorts from this point forward, after which you can just whip out your phone and use the app. Simply record what you see on the screen while you browse the page, taking note of the most intriguing details every 10, 20, or so seconds. For instance, you have a make money online opportunity called Googlix or something similar that allows users to earn money by conducting Google searches. You may then just pick up your phone, begin recording, and say, "Hey, I found this fresh app that lets you be paid through Google. It takes less than 2 minutes to set up. They have already paid out over $175,000 to their members. It's beginner friendly, it's 100% brand new, and other such things." Then, you say, "Link to this app will be in the description box down below." As a result, you never mention the app name in the video. Instead, you only mention it in the description box. This helps you to attract traffic to your video and to your affiliate link as well. Let's say you created for an offer which is about unlimited hosting service for company owners and is available for purchase for $16.50. You have prepared a short video that you also published on Canva. You basically have a call to action for people to do something, like watch the video that describes how the service product, or software works. They will go to the link in the description to view the video. They'll probably join up for the offer after seeing the video, earning your commissions. Consequently, you can also add a call to action to the video itself. Therefore, you may say something on the video like unlimited hosting app. In this instance, if you were promoting that Google's offer, you could also say that people could earn $100 per day or something similar by using Google. Therefore, all you must do is catch the eye of someone who is browsing YouTube videos or who might accidentally see one of your YouTube videos appear on their homepage. So, let's say you include an unlimited hosting app, and you could also change the background or the text, and you might also add another call to action. Simply copy and paste it, then you can say like, link to the app will be in the description. You may also add some attractive animation as there are lots of options on Canva and animate the text with a single click. Now that the video has been modified with Canva, which is available for free at canva.com, you can download it. You may upload the video you took with your phone and then add some basic text afterward. In this video, the example is Canva, but you could just use the YouTube Shorts app or the YouTube app on your phone to modify it. You can basically add text like how you do it in Canva, and it's much simpler to do it on your phone. Canva is a great option since there are lots of free elements available. Now, since YouTube videos may garner hundreds of millions of views, the title of the video and its description box are both crucial. It's the simplest method to increase your channel's views and subscribers, but the hardest way to monetize it with adverts. At least as of now, but maybe in 2023, you won't be able to generate any money off the advertisements. However, as of right now, you must include a link and a call to action in the description. Put a title of Get instant access to this app or add an emoji pointing to your Brandly affiliate link, and then you can post it as a YouTube short. So, let's say you're finally going to upload it as a YouTube short to your channel, but you won't stop there because you might not get very far if you expect to make thousands of dollars by sharing just one YouTube short on a new channel. Therefore, your goal should be to produce as many of those YouTube shorts for various products as you can. Maybe you could launch a YouTube channel that focuses solely on YouTube shorts while discussing, say, how to make money online. You only post YouTube videos on the channel to make money online, and each video either shows a website or an app that you are recording with your screen in that manner. You basically just record a 30-second sales page and say, hey, I found this brand new app that pays you to do this and that, or I found this brand new website or software. A link to this website, software, or app is in the description down below. That's pretty much it. You're not showing your face, and even if you don't want to record your voice, you can just use the TikTok TTS or the YouTube TTS. You don't need to worry if you're thinking that you won't get monetized if you use TTS, text-to-speech software. Your YouTube Shorts won't be even monetized in any way. You won't make much money from YouTube Shorts even if you record your own voice because there won't be any advertisements there. If you record using TTS software, you have nothing to fear. Simply just focus on trying to catch people's attention through your call to action and tempting affiliate offers, and before you know it, you'll be earning passive income in no time. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!